If you've ever wanted to automate tasks in Zapier that involve handling lists, arrays, or multiple records, this guide is going to make your life much easier. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to loop through arrays in Zapier using the latest 2025 interface, so you can process every item automatically. No manual work, no missed data. To start, head over to the Zapier website. If you're not signed in yet, click the login button in the top right. I'll use a Google account to keep it simple, so just choose your Google login and continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zapier homepage. Next, click the Create button and choose Zaps. This is where we build the automation from scratch. A Zap is basically your blueprint for repeating tasks across different apps. Your first step is setting up a trigger, the event that starts everything. Search for and select Schedule as your trigger app. Scheduling is perfect when you're looping through arrays because it fires at recurring intervals. When Zapier asks for the event, choose every week. If it prompts you to sign in again, just follow the prompt. As soon as it's connected, run the test to confirm everything is synced and working correctly. With the trigger done, move on to the action. Type Airtable into the search bar and select it. Airtable works great for storing and managing data, especially list-style arrays. For the event, choose Find Many Records Advanced. Connect your Airtable account if needed, and once again, use the test function to verify the setup and make sure data is flowing back into your Zap. Now it's time for the part everyone wants, the actual loop. Click the plus icon to add another step and search for looping. When you see the looping tool, select it, then choose Create Loop from Line Items. This tells Zapier you want to go through each item in your dataset one at a time. Map your array or list field in this step, so Zapier knows exactly what to loop through. Before you move on, click Test to confirm the loop is pulling each array element individually the way you expect. Once the loop is confirmed, all that's left is to hit Publish to activate the Zap. And that's it. You've just built a Zap that loops through arrays and handles every item automatically. Whether you're updating records, sending messages, or syncing data across platforms, each element in your list is now being handled one by one with zero manual effort. If this walkthrough helped you, consider sticking around. There's a lot more automation magic coming your way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly streamlined workflow.